Good, good, good. Always great to start a stream with crash. That crash was actually intentional, though. Well, it wasn't really a crash. Let me zoom this out. It wasn't really a crash. There we go. Shut the server down so I could restart it via tmux so that I can get terminal output here. So if we do get any actual crashes, I can get more data on the crash so I can fix it more betterness. I just have to remember how to do this because I haven't done this in a minute. tmux-t attach 3. Nope. Oh. There we go. I don't know what all that craziness is, but that's fine. This is fine. This is fine. It's actually kind of terrible. Wow. All right, that's doable. I have that. We'll give this a few minutes. I think I actually first want to hop over into Blender here. And I need to make a light fixture real quick. So, we'll start with the default cube, of course, because that's always what we start with. And let me just, I did not want that. What is going on? There we go. It just has a weird outline for some reason. Ooh, somebody has joined. Cool. The server, that is. Not chat. Hello, Jupiter. Hello, Awesome Guy 1234 Troy. Hello, Ager Plays Games and Minix FT and Abel Scott B and Electro Sokas. In this stream, going to be doing some playtesting of my ripoff of Among Us, which I have never played. So I'm sure it's going to be a great ripoff. But right now I'm making a light because one of the hallways, there are a lot of hallways in the map that I built last night, is very dark and it needs some subtle lighting effects. So I'm gonna try to make a quick light fixture here. Just something really simple and basic. It's gonna be a little corner thing. That's not what I want. I want to change where there we go, bounding box center. That's much better. All right, so then we'll just pull these in from the ends. Say 3. A little something like that looks good. The top face I can remove, as can I the back face, because those you'll never see, because that'll be in a corner up against the wall. And then I just need to add a little doodad that's what actually is making the light, because that's just like the mounting hardware and the spot where the wires run through. Yes, extremely descriptive. I'm not an electrical engineer, so I don't know. We'll do something like that. That looks good. And then, of course, this will have to come into about there. And about there. Does that make that more or less square? That is not more or less square. But you know what? I think that'll work. I'll just grab those two and extrude them back. So there, I guess, because I can't extrude them back to elsewhere. And then we just need to merge. Oh wait, I probably have to be on this. Merge at center. Do the same thing there at center. Grab both of those. Oh, they're not gonna match. Well, that's fantastic. I can manually line it up, I suppose. It won't be perfect, but it should be close enough. That's right about there, I would say, is as close as she's going to be. I'll just go to solid. Yeah, okay. Suppose I could delete the bar out of the middle. But that wouldn't help me. It would actually end up making more faces, which would make it worse. The doors. That is what the door sounds are, yes. I'm confused that... Oh, do I have some of those doors in Spawn? I don't think so. I guess the terminal doesn't give any output. No, it doesn't. Okay, that's handy. Yeah, so the doors are sounds from a mouth. That I did that yesterday. It was quite fun. Let's just go ahead and export this guy out. Oh, let's see. This is going to be... would this be a scone? This wouldn't be a scone. This would be a corner. Let's call it lights corner. And then we will hop on over into lights. Scrolling down to the bottom here. I'm gonna have to have a new collision box for that. Corner. This will just be a sci-fi inside corner. Lights corner. I think I'm gonna put this one down a little less bright. Let's do that at 10. Sure, we'll leave it at that texture. That's not an actual texture. Well, it is an actual texture, but it's not set up for that mesh. That mesh was also not UV unwrapped, so I can only imagine it's gonna look incredibly bad. But I need an inside corner that I can place this on. But these corners are all full of, whoops, all full of bogus stuff. All these goofy lights. Oh. I should maybe make these selection boxes a little bit larger, so you're not accidentally punching holes through the ceiling. Oh well, let's see what this looks like. Well, it places in the wrong corner, so that's phenomenal. Wow, I don't know why it placed like that. What are you doing? Are you... Oh, and I can't even... I don't know where its selection box is, so I don't know how to get rid of it. Oh, there it is. Alright, oops. Oops. Alright. So if I place it there, it places on that. That's dumb. But if I place it on the top, it places there. So I just need to rotate that around 180 degrees, and I think it'll be right. And I just lost my mouse someplace? What in the... Battery died, maybe? Oh, I love wireless mice. They're the best. All right, new battery. Let's see. Yep, that's all it was. Okay, good. Would have been terrible if it was something more serious. Okay, now we need to put this back to the 3D cursor. Select everything, rotate 180. And then re-export it. Yep. Und sehen. Hey, it works. And that texture is actually not completely unusable. Wow, I'm quite impressed. All right, well, we'll just give that a few quick tweaks. Then I'll have to shut the server down to push this over onto it. And then we can start things up. UV editing. Yeah, so this front face shouldn't be that. This is going to be just a really quick and dirty implementation. It will be replaced later because this is not at all the right type of texture or lights, but whatever. Well, I think I can actually do like this and throw that in that corner and rotate this 45 degrees, throw it in that corner, and let's, oh, that's with material preview. Let's assign a material to it. There we go. All right, sure, yeah, that looks terrible, but it works. I have no idea. There we go. All right, and then this is that long square thing. Okay, well, let's maybe put a slice there and there. Mark scene. And then re-unwrap that. Okay. I don't really have anywhere I can put that where that's not gonna show. You know what? Because we're redoing it all anyways, let's just do this. Pull that in. Pull that in. Someplace that must be lighting up, but right there. Okay, yeah, sure. That's fine. That works for me. I'll just export over that. Hop on in here. See what it looks like in game. Selection box is still wonky, but livable. So I'm gonna call that okay. I'm going to push those changes over to the server and then hop on the server. If anybody's already on the server, it's gonna, that's weird. Let's try that again. It's gonna shut down shortly, so apologies. And we are killing the server. It'll automatically restart. It's not public yet. I should really make it public for this, shouldn't I? Let me go ahead and change that quick. Where do I even go to do that? That is an excellent question. Is it in Worlds? World configuration? Yep. Okay. So we want that enable damage true, no clip false, server announce. We will change that to true because yes. I don't know how you change how far away from people you can see. So, yeah. Have fun. Sure. Let's change the server URL to actually be the accurate server URL. All right. None of that is going to actually be live, so that's fantastic. You know what? Let me just shut the server down once more. And if all goes well, I should be able to refresh this. There we go. The server is now listed in the server list. It's called In Our Midst. As you can see in the description here, I don't know if you can actually read that. The text might be a little small on the stream. It says shameless ripoff Among Us. Shameless ripoff of Among Us. Yes. Let's get some people on here and let's try this thing out. I've never done any actual testing, just for the record. I have tested it with myself, meaning I've created a basically just another user on my computer. Player transfer distance. I think player transfer distance might be, but that might be something else. I don't remember. And I also haven't really checked. Whatever the distance is right now might be okay. Essentially, you just want to make sure we have minimap, which is kind of a problem. Essentially, you just want to make sure that you can't see where two people are next to each other, so then when the traitor kills one of them, suddenly a name disappears and you know that the other name must be the traitor, because that kind of defeats the whole point. Someplace out here there is a map, but I don't know where it's at. And I need to get there so I can put some lights in it. I thought it was off this direction. I could have sworn this is the way I went. What if I increase my viewing range? That doesn't really help at all. All right. Do I have fast on? Ooh. Yeah, this is fast. Okay, well, maybe it was off this way. I don't know where it was. Oh, actually, can't I see where it's at? Hey, we have somebody else joined. They should have spawned in at 0. There we go. Oh. Well, check that out. So I see you there. Your name disappears here? Okay, that seems to be quite fine. Yeah, I think that should be okay. Don't punch the button yet though, because we need more than just the two of us, because it'll be very obvious whom is the traitor and who isn't. Need at least 3 or 4 people. I could try to tell. Oh, hey, here it is. Here it is. I'll just sneak inside. Now, I've been here before, so I kind of know the layout of things a little bit, but not that well. All right. And we just hop down the stairway. So this is supposed to be similar to the I don't know, the default map, I guess, or whatever. Like I said, I've never played it, so I don't know. But it's supposed to be somewhat like the map in Among Us. But having never played it, I think I have seen like a totality of 3 videos of Among Us. So yeah, I'm not an expert at all. That looks good enough for me. This room already has plenty of lights in it, so that's stellar. This hallway has a light there, which is kind of meh. So we're gonna get rid of this and use those. And then for right now, we'll just do that and get rid of this. And we'll put one in like there. Sure, that looks good. Actually, we probably could have done this and this. Knocked that out. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna leave it like that. Let's pop one more in right there. This room could do with some switched up lighting. Ah, yes. It's looking quite sci-fi-y now. Oh, and look at these beautiful sci-fi lights there. I don't know where this hallway leads. A lot of hallways. Oops, I just put a light in. I didn't want to do that. Oh, just punched a hole in the wall. Did not want to do that. Okay, we got some more doors. I've been in there, I think. I was definitely in there. Oh, this is where I just was. So I think this is, yep. This takes me over here, takes me up the ramp into here. All right. All we need now is some peoples to give her a jingle jangle. I'll just throw all that stuff out. I don't think right now it's actually set up quite right where you lose all your items when you start a game. Oh, actually, I need to go back to spawn. Teleport 0, 0, 0. All right. We got 2 people. We need some more people than 2 people. Happy New Year to you as well, Asina, if that's how that's supposed to be pronounced. I should actually change this real quick to make sure that we don't have anybody starting the game early, because I have the ability. I need 4 people. We have 3 people. We need 1 more. If you try to do it right now, it'll just say there's not enough players. 1 more person. Just 1 more person. Can someone tell me how I can put some blocks in a single node mode? I am not sure what that is supposed to mean. How do you put blocks in a single node mode? Like single node map gen? Maybe? I don't know. Okay, let's pause that. Minimize that. Get stuff so we can see what's going on. We just need 1 more person. Anybody else want to join? It's a super fun game. 1 more. 1 more. I don't know if it's actually super fun because I've never actually played it. Ooh, almost died. Let me adjust the camera so I have a head. Sweet. I prevent from falling, but I can't first set 1 block in the air. Oh, like that. It's very difficult because a node won't just let you place it itself if there's nothing to place on. You could do a chat command. That's weird. Why did that not? All right. It should work with 3 players now. Should be all 3 of us. Somebody's the traitor. There are tasks that you can do to earn XP to help the team win. 8-3. I didn't read what that said. 834-257 was it? Try again. 885-386. 885-386. Sweet. We only need 90 more XP to defeat the imposter. You could be the... Oh, I have fast. That's a cheat. I shouldn't have fast. I could defeat the imposter if I get enough points. But I don't know who the imposter is. But I can punch these real quick. That'll give me a couple XP. I'm just running for my life. Trying to avoid people. Let me turn off the mini-map because that's kind of a cheat. Somebody's following me. I died. Okay, well. So the traitor won. Nobody ever even found the corpses. Yes, there are corpses. If we had a if I was the imposter, I could show you all the corpses. Anybody can punch this button as long as there's enough people standing on the red. It'll throw us in. it doesn't matter who punches the button. Traitor is just randomly selected. But I guess I'll go ahead and do it. Oh, here's the corpse. Oh, see, this is an issue. Because, yeah, just do the skip. Wait, what? Well, great. Oh no. Oh no, it's broke. It's broke. Uh-oh. Okay. That's an issue. It does a physics override when you're voting, so you can't run around. Yeah, the only way to fix that's to quit. Oh, great. So that's definitely an issue. There needs to be a way to make the corpses go away after the... Okay. That's in lobby stuff, I think. Okay, so corpse here. Hello, Confident Owl. Okay, who done it? You can do... Oh, you have to do kick skip. So if you join with the username of skip, you're gonna break things. So don't do that, because that's terrible. Okay, yeah, here we go. So on the corpse, there's an on right click, and it sends a chat to everybody in that level saying somebody discovered a corpse, and sets everybody's physics to 0, and then shows the voting form spec. And then after you vote, I think that's handled in chat. Yes. After there's enough votes, wait, what? Okay, so lobby vote. Where is lobby vote? This is such messy code. Okay, everybody voted. And then it's, the votes are in, blah, 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 will be kicked. Okay, and there we go. It sets physics override back to 1. So I think the best thing to do would be... I need to put that in someplace. So when you're at... Because we were all... Did we die? Yeah, we were all dead, but we couldn't move. So I need to make it somehow so when you die, that doesn't happen. Where is the respawn code? Register on join player. It'll put you to 000 somewhere. Wait, where does that happen? Register on join player, set position with some randomness. Well, actually, we don't need that. Okay, here we go. Register on die player. Okay, so on die player, if the map's not lobby, you know, I really don't care what the map is, though. If you die, your physics override should be reset, so you're not stuck there. So that should handle that of somebody killing you while you're waiting to get the votes in. Also, if we're here, we shouldn't be... Okay. If we're voting, the traitor shouldn't be able to kill us, because that ain't fair. So we're going to, because everybody's right there, and you can't do anything about it to run away. So I need to find the shank here. Okay, we need to make this not work if voting is going on. But I don't think I really have any way to know if voting is going on, other than that the player's physics will be 0. Is that the best way to do this? No, it really isn't. Player. I can do a get physics override, I think. Oh, you guys need me to join back on? Yeah, I can do that. I can change it so it's only 2 players, but 2 players is kind of terrible because then you know who the bad guy is instantly. You got to be standing on the red. If you're over in the white, it's not going to work. Oh, you got to stand on the red. You're not close enough. I'll just stand there. Whoops. And then I'll just let him kill me. I didn't want that. I want this. Okay. There is a way to do this. I just have to pull up the API real quick. You can get the physics override. Okay, get physics override. Well, that's not actually quite what I want. I want to say your channel is pure gold. Help me out with my project. Well, thank you. I'm sorry, but I have no idea how you would even start to try to pronounce that. So I won't try. But thank you for the kind words. Okay, get physics override returns a table given to the set physics override. Dynotech server now. Nope, this server or this stream is just to try to do some play testing on this nightmare. It's not maybe that bad. There's just a couple of little things like people killing people while they're trying to vote. Not exactly optimal. So gotta get that fixed. So I think I need to do like a local table. Local physics. Wow. Physics table equals player get physics override. And then I just do if physics table dot speed does not equal 0, then, and then we just indent all of this in a skimidgy bidgy. Is that actually how this works? I'm not sure. Oh, I'm the traitor. Oh, great. And we've got corpses. We got to get rid of these corpses. I got to, oh, see, this isn't fair because I can see him way over there. So I got to change that. Let me pull this up. Super Jerome, thank you. Happy New Year to you as well. Okay, so player transfer distance. I thought I've set that down to 1. I've set that down to 1. That might be the closest. Ooh. Ooh. What in the world happened there? It's not Epic server, but it is one of my servers. Let's see what the crash was. The crash was a question mark function. Runtime error from mod lobby and callback on chat message. Attempt to perform arithmetic on field question mark a nil value. Chat line 34. Am I gonna do more videos in 2021? No, probably not. Probably will stick to the same 3 a week. Though I might switch things up a little bit between Epic Dev and Traitor Dev. You did kick and the server crashed. Well, let's see. This was in the lobby and chat. Line 43. What am I doing in line 43? Lobby suspect equals lobby suspect plus 1. Where does this params value come in from? You did kind of kick the server. Okay, so this is this. Oh, this is your... Oh, okay. So if you do kick without any value, that makes sense. So I just need to set a dummy parameter, basically. Or do... Oh, okay. So if the parameter is basically if you the chat the word following the command. So if you do kick skip, it'll run this code. Otherwise it runs this. But if you just do kick without anything, it still runs this. But it tries to pass a value and the value's nothing. So we need to add a dummy value, I suppose. Or just do else if I guess I would do like this. Else if params do not equal nothing, then so if there is a value, then we run this code. And otherwise we do check your spelling and try again. Which that should work. The data entry, okay, the data entry is kind of tricky. Let me try to make that a little bit easier. So that is, it basically selects a random number between 800,000 and 900,000 and shows it for, I believe, 1 second. It should be in here someplace. Yeah, 1 second. I'll change it to 1.5 seconds. And then you just have to re-enter that number in, and if you get it right, you get some XP. Assuming you can get it right. All right, I am going to restart the server, but first let's push those changes over. You know, it's always great to ooh, see, and that shouldn't happen. Oh, you know, it only happened because the server crashed, though, that's why. All right, well, just kill the server, restart it. The server is back online. Hopefully it's fixed now, but you never know. Did someone speak French? Not me. Just waiting on the people. Let me look at the API and see what the player distance stuff is. Okay, there is no help in the API. That's useful. What is it called? Mindtest.conf example for server. Okay, we've got 2 people. We need a couple more. Okay, player. Blah, blah, blah. I don't care about any of those. Color codes, so don't care about that. Max blocks that are sent. Number of players. Defines the maximal player transfer distance, but it doesn't really tell me what that means. Okay, here we go. Whether players are shown to clients without any range limits. Appreciate it. Use a setting player transfer distance instead. So player transfer distance should be set to 1, which I believe it is. Yeah, so that's the best we can do. All right, well, we do have a bunch of corpses. Whoa, okay, what happened there? Because that ain't good. Attempt to index global physics table, a nil value. I should have tested that. All right. So, player is a thing though. Get physics override. I could have sworn that's what it was called. Yeah. Yeah. I see what's going on here. Get physics override. Okay. I know I do this. Oh, the crocodile from an epic. Let's check that out. Because I know that does the same thing. What is that under? That is that Mob's Water? I believe Mob's Water. Mob's Croc. Okay, so the crocodile here, blah, 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 blah. Custom attack, blah, blah, blah. Set physics override. Gravity 3, speed 0.2. Oh, it does armor to reset it. Okay. Let's try the hang glider mod. One of these I know does a get physics override. Have a happy new year yourself, Super Jerome. So I recently started working on, and when I say recently, I mean like in the last month, started working on a ripoff of Among Us, which I've never played. And that's what the stream is about, in a nutshell. Doing some, yeah. It's going quite well. I might say. I got a bunch of corpses that I don't know how to get rid of. Okay, so maybe I just do dot speed in there. That could also be throwing an error because of a simple typo. That could be why. I use Atom as a code editor. Okay, do I still have this? This is still pushing changes. I'm just gonna crash the server that way. And then, all right. So I think I just had a typo in the code and that's why it didn't work. Fingers crossed, that's all it was. I guess we'll find out once some more people hop back on. And we can give her a little testy-roo. But I think that's all the issue there was. Yeah, I've got to have some way to make corpses disappear, but I don't know how I would do that. How would I? I'd have to like store a table of every corpse for the game. And then once the game ends, go through that table and just remove the nodes? That could work, I suppose. But I don't have that. But that might be my best bet. Anybody else? Anybody else? Just need one more person. Just need one more person. Oh, the beautiful sounds. I should really. Where's the other earpiece? Here we go. The beautiful footstep sounds. There we go. Stolen. I shouldn't say stolen. Taken straight from my test game. With the exception of the great door sounds. The door sounds were made by yours truly. They are quite amazing. Anybody else? Anybody else? We can't really do this with only 2 people. You just need one more person. No previous experience required. You don't need to know anything about Among Us, because I barely do. And I'm still making a game based on it. It's kind of a terrible idea, honestly. Not enough players? Right-click the button for more information. 3 players, 100 XP and you'll win. Simple spaceship with fun halls and path to wander and tasks to complete. Oh yeah, that sounds about right. But there's only 2 tasks, which makes it kind of really repetitive as far as tasks go. I should make some more, but I just haven't gotten around to that yet. I should also add in a bunch more just like decor type stuff. I should probably also take the corpse out of here because you should never be able to place a corpse yourself, because that's just messed up. But yeah, it's basically just these normal building blocks. There's only 1 page of those, and then all the ramp bits and stuff for spaceship, which these are actually pulled out of an old game that never went anywhere. I don't know if they're 32 pixel textures and if this stuff's made to a 16 pixel grid. I have no idea. But it seems close enough, so I'm not going to bother trying to check it out and fix it. Un más por favor. Or we could do this. I can change it so it only needs 2 people. The mini-map is not fair. No, not particularly. Because then you at least know where somebody died. You don't necessarily know who died. Oh, and I'm the traitor. Okay. Let me clean up these corpses real quick, because I can do that with the hammer. Let's throw these away. All right. Now, I think I should probably change it so you can only vote when somebody found a corpse. Is that, I don't know how it works in the actual game. Because I don't know if you necessarily want people. Oh, now we got somebody else that joined, but they can't join the game because it's in progress. If you try to punch the button. Oh, there's a corpse over here. Let me clean that up. But first, let's admire the beauty of the corpse. Oh, look at that. He's got like a severed neck, and there's bones, and there's blood, and there's a puddle of blood there. And if the ceiling was a little higher, so we could see the underside of the neck. It's kind of all bloody too, and the eyeballs are rolled back. It's amazing. At some point, that needs to be changed. That needs to be changed over to an entity, so it can actually take on the player skin. So you can kind of see who it actually was that died, but yeah, whatever. Also, this, because like I have creative, so I see this screen. Everybody else just gets this. It would be nice if this screen, they don't see this button. It would be nice if that screen would show the current XP level. So you right-click the thing, gives this code 838299. 838299. You have to hit submit. If you hit enter, it won't do anything. That could be what's happening. And then it worked there for me. It says you're the trader. You can do tasks, but you won't earn XP. Try killing other players. I'm trying to clean up corpses. I'm on corpse cleanup duty. Are there any corpses back over in here? Probably not. Nope. The doors are really neat. I'm sure you've already noticed this. But double doors both will open when you click on either of them. Pretty cool. See? And they close after 3 seconds. I believe it's 3 seconds. Ooh, I can punch this. And this. Punching tasks and doing tasks as the trader is actually kind of in your best interests, because then it means that the other players can't do them. So it gives you more time to hunt them down, which... Oh, that's already been done. Hey, open up. Oh, this has got the really super long hallway that wraps all the way around. I remember this hallway. I just need to go around and, take somebody out. Oh, my face is half gone. Let's rectify that. Also, I should really test out the voting bit. Like, could you vote me out as the traitor right now? I don't know. You could try, I suppose. Just long hallways. I don't know where to look. Oh wait, he's up there. How do I get there from here? I wish I could tell. Oh hey, stairs. Okay. Wait, they're down here. All right, this actually isn't so bad with stairs, ladder. Can I? There we go. I can go down. Somebody just did all those tasks. Oh wait. I could jump over the rail. That's a bad idea though. You'll get stuck if you go on the ground there. You can't get out. It's just darkness. Darkness and despair. And you pretty much have to wait for somebody to discover wait, where is he? You have to wait for somebody to discover a corpse, and that'll kick everybody back to spawn. I am so confused. Did you jump over the edge? Are you someplace where you can't get out? Is that what happened? Hey, that is what happened. That's exactly what happened. Nice. All right. Hey, and I lost my shank. Beautiful. All right, let's get Carmen over here and let's try this out. Hello, Carmen. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? I am not the traitor. I am running. I don't know who the traitor is. The traitor is probably hot on my tail. They're probably going to try to stream snipe me. Of course, if they do, then, well, with 3 players, as soon as somebody's dead, you obviously know who the traitor is because you know you're not the traitor. Boom. Oh, wait. That's already been punched. That's still running from the last time. 894153. 894153. Ta-da! We need 90 more XP to defeat the traitor. That one's already been done too recently. They have cooldown timers pretty much. So you can't just stand around and do the same thing over and over and over. Like these only give you 1 XP each. They're kind of a ripoff, honestly. But all you're doing is punching it. So, and those there's like a 200-second cooldown timer on. Some of the other ones of those same things give 10 XP. So, oh boy. Yeah, I'm getting out of here. There's too many people. Too many people. Let's skedaddle, skedoodle, skadoodle. Okay, I know there's a task in here. 866520, I think that's it. 866520. Nice. 69 more XP needed. I don't know if this is a good place to go, but this is where we're going. Through the doors, the cool doors. I do like these doors. They are quite neat. Ooh. Let's try here. Nope, that still's waiting to deactivate. I should probably change the texture on the not ready version so it's a little easier to tell. Right now it's just the brightness level, which isn't really super helpful because when there's a lot of lights, it's hard to tell what the brightness is. Somebody's like right on top of me. Did somebody jump a rail again? Or is there actually a legitimate hallway that goes on above this one? It's very possible. The map kind of wraps around itself a lot. Nice little recessed lighting thing in here. Just another hallway. There's a lot of hallways. I think this will actually pull me into another hallway. Yeah, it does. Oh, these are still all... They're still all waiting. Oh, that was actually really stupid to do. So, if you... Pro tip for the traders. If there is a task that's already been completed... All of these have, yikes. Somebody just tried punching me. If there's a task that's already completed, and you punch it, you reset the timer, but you reset the timer with double its length. So if it normally takes 60 seconds, and you punch it, it'll then take 120 seconds, because you're the traitor, and you're like sabotaging things. I have no idea if that's how it works in the actual game. Somebody chatted an I, okay. I exclamation, or I have a feeling that Carmen's the traitor. Wait, you're the traitor, but you can't kill anyone. That's an issue. It's a serious issue. Here, let me go stand over at the little spawn area here. Chat works though, so that's helpful. So this chat is local to this level. So if there was anybody else standing in lobby, which there isn't, nobody would hear it or be able to see it. Okay, you're right. Silicone player punches player. There's 0 damage. I have no knife. How do you don't have how do you not have a knife? The knife, I don't think you can drop. I don't even think the knife's available in inventory. It's not. Let me find out what the name is. Give me Lobby Shank. Yes, because we are... Oh, I don't have the give command? Really? Yeah, I can't do that. Okay. I think I can do... Well, now I died. Okay. I'm really confused. How? The box says I am a box. Wait, what? Currently inactive, so we can't. It's currently in progress, so we can't join. The box says I am a box. Does that make sense? Okay. Silicone Penguin should have the shank now. Now, what happens if we try to kick? Check your spelling and try again. Oh, look at all these corpses. Look at all of these corpses. This is bad. This is bad. Also, how come Silicone Penguin didn't get tossed in? Oh well. Let me get a hammer and clean up these corpses here right quick. Yeah, we don't want those. Otherwise somebody could click on them and that could cause bad things to happen. Which is why that needs to be fixed. Numerical entry, sure. 879376. 879376. Woohoo! 10 XP. Howdy, Carmen. Oh. Traitor won the round. Alright, let's try to get 4 people this time. There's gonna be so many. Hey, and I lost all my inventory. Nice. Hey, what? How did... That's not supposed to work. Do you still have the shank? Oh, great. That's supposed to be just... You're supposed to lose the shank when the... I'm very confused. Also, we're supposed to spawn with a random offset. I was killed as the yeah, now it's an in progress game. No, no, no. Okay, well. Let's do this. Let's go to wait, where is that? Is that in lobby? On die player, here we go. If map does not equal lobby. You know what? Let's just do okay, we'll have to cut both of these. Let's just change it so every time you die, your inventory is just wiped. I think that should prevent issues from like that from happening again. I think. Ooh, who done it? Somebody discovered a corpse. You can't walk. I don't know why we're all put inside each other's heads. That's kind of annoying. I was looking at code. Wasn't me. I don't even know who's still here. Admin and Minx. Okay. Well, I guess it must have been you. Okay, why is that not doing anything? I'm confused. This is weird. Oh yeah, I can only vote once. So every time I'm doing it now, it's not gonna do anything. Well, vote for somebody, please. Vote for me even. It doesn't matter. Cause we're kind of stuck until everybody votes. Or you can do skip. You can do kick skip. Survivors will just tell you how many people are still on that level. It's only the twain of us. Just do kick skip. There we go. The votes are in. I will be kicked. Yay! I got kicked. Huzzah! Huzzah! Now I'm confused though. How is that game still in progress? That's not right. Interesting. Oh, ooh. Oh no. What happened now? Okay. Let's check this error out. So we have in lobby and chat. Okay, well that seems to have been a bad spot of code. Let's see what we've got going on here. Line 37. Actual votes +1. Okay. Attempt to perform arithmetic on local actual votes, a nil value. Actual votes equals lobby votes map ID. So if we hop over to this, we have lobby votes, just an empty table. Actual votes +1. Carmen uses lobby shank. How does Carmen have the shank? Interesting. Oh, because of server craft, of course. Well, here's an easy fix for that. If I knew where that happened. On join player, I can just set the player inventory empty too. It's gonna be annoying for anybody who's a builder though. It is what it is though, I guess. Alright, let's... You fell off? Fell off of what? Oh no, you fell off in the level? That's terrible. Yeah, you're... Oh, how did I get in? I'm so confused. Oh, because they all died, I guess. Or they voted each other out. Okay. Such a mess of dead bodies here. It's kind of disturbing, actually. I mean, you have to know that I'm the imposter, so it's just a matter of, oh, hey, a dead body. Let me clean that up. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. I won. Yeah. Woohoo. Of course, now there's a corpse just floating around in there, you know, but it's whatever. Let's try to get 4 people in. Y'all gotta wait longer so everybody can get in. The traitor won that round. Oh, hey, I'm the traitor this time. Ois. Oh, no. This is an issue. Corpses are breaking the map. That's not good. Corpse shouldn't be able to play something where it replaces anything. Thought it was using the code from the Bones mod. Let me get rid of those things. I mean, I am the imposter. Noise! That's one down. That's, I don't think, a corpse from this round. I don't know why I even walked in there. There was obviously nobody there. Alright, we definitely need a way to clean up the corpses when the level finishes, because this is not acceptable. What mod adds this lamp on the floor? This lamp on the floor here. This is a custom game. I created all of the content for it, so this comes from the lights mod in the Traitor game. Okay, we get that same error on the votes. Attempts from arithmetic on local actual votes, a nil value. So somebody tried to vote. Whether or not... well, they didn't find the corpse because I would have been teleported back to our main spawn area. So that means that they were just trying to vote, which is fine. That's good. That should be possible. If you do a kick skip, you crash the server. It might just be doing a kick at all. Okay, kick skip votes. Okay, I might need to change actual votes to have a value. So local actual votes equals lobby votes map ID or 0. Okay. Did you have to make an automatic tree farm by Messicons and Pipeworks? I don't think quite that exactly, but I do have an automation playlist. Let me find the link quick here, if I could figure out how to navigate around playlists. Mind test automation. I just want a link. Here we go. Okay. I seen your comment now, Chandurijit Jat. That's the link right there to my automation playlist. I do have some farming stuff, but I don't know if there's anything that's necessarily like a tree farm, or that could be adaptable to a tree farm. But that is what I have. So, more than welcome to check it out. That's interesting. I have chat in the window and a live chat, pop-out chat. That's cool. All right, let's... I think I need to shut the... Oh, actually, the server crashed. So, I think we should be good. All right, we got some people in the lobby here, but I think... Oh, no, it's just us 3, so we should be good to start a game. And I died. And the traitor won. Maybe there should be, like, I don't know, a cooldown or something, so you can't just instantly kill everybody. But IDK. I couldn't even get down the ladder. Stupid ladder. Man. I thought about making it so that the traitor could only kill until a corpse was found. Man, this traitor is doing good. But I was like, no, because you should really be able to kill people. Oh, no! Oh, wait, never mind. I thought we were all stuck there and we couldn't move. Okay. Not trying to die this time. There's a lot of corpses here. I gotta implement a corpse cleaning something, because that's just getting out of hand. All right. Are we far enough away where we're safe? Probably not, but I think this room has a thing I can punch. Oh boy, there Carmen is. Yikes. Yikes, we need 95 more XP. Run through a long, endless hallway. I don't know what's at the other end of this hallway. I believe this links up to a room that links up to the bottom of the ramp area. Oh, and oh wait, where did this go? This is the lights. Oh no, so I came from the ramp area. No? I don't know, man. I'm lost. I should also get maps of the levels. That would be neat. But I'd have to figure out how to make that, and I don't know how to do that. Storage room? Nope. That's the stairway. Nope. This storage room? That was already done, and I just reset the timer because I'm an idiot. This is where I just came from. Let's not go back here. One of these rooms has that wall full of tasks just waiting to complete. One of these leads to the stairs. You fell. You're not supposed to jump over the rail. If you jump over the rail, you get stuck. There's nothing you can do about that. You just get stuck. 816-183. 813. Try again. 870-255. 870-255. Sweet. Hopefully you weren't the imposter. Enter the number from the previous screen. There was no previous screen. 844-198. 844-198. 75 more XP needed. That leads to a hallway. That leads to a hallway. These all lead to hallways, don't they? That's already been done. Yeah, you pretty much can just run around out there, but it's just darkness. Darkness and despair. It's kind of terrible. Is there a corpse someplace I should be finding? I know there are some loose ones on the ground, but I don't know if they're recent corpses. Oh, you know what? But you can always do this. Wait, what? Did I just spell it wrong? Oh, survivors. Survivors? Carmen and... Oh, okay. So let's do... Wow. Let's learn to spell first. Oh, but... Carmen would also have to vote. You know, I think that should probably be changed. Because the traitor shouldn't have to vote. Because the traitor's the traitor. Yeah, no, see, the traitor has to vote. Okay, that's just flawed. However, I know that the traitor can't get to me, so I can finish up the tasks and get the points needed that way. 801-564. 801-564. I only need 65 more XP. Really need some more tasks. Look at all these corpses. Oh, wait, but I could do that. Okay. I've already voted. Carmen shouldn't be able to kill me. With luck. Yes! Perfect! I'm seeing the... Ha-ha! Zuckers! Sweet! So when we're here voting, the traitor can't kill the players. Perfect. You're going to have to do vote skip. Or I mean kick skip. Or you could vote for somebody too. You could put a player name in there if you want. Theoretically, if you skip the vote, that should work. Carmen skipped. Okay. Why can't we move? No, this is terrible. What did I do wrong? Oh no, I know it crashed. Attempt from Earth took an actual votes, a nil value. How is it still getting that same nil value error? I don't get it. But that was fixed. Okay. Actual votes equals lobby votes, map ID, or 0. If the player hasn't voted, the player opts to skip. Lobby votes map ID equals actual votes plus 1. Actual votes. Oh, wait. Okay, that's line 37 that's throwing the error. Lobby votes map ID equals actual votes plus 1. That's where it throws the error. Did another kick skip. Did you do that when you weren't in a level? Oh! Yeah. Yeah, I guess if you do that in the lobby, it will crash. I think. You shouldn't be able to run that command in the lobby. Okay, well, that's fixable. If map underscore ID does not equal lobby, then do all of this. Correct. If you're in the lobby, what are you voting on? There's no game in the lobby. So that should be fixed. Though I'm not sure why that wouldn't still work, because actual votes equals lobby votes, lobby, or 0. And then we're just adding 1 to that. So I'm not sure why it was crashing, but at least now you shouldn't be able to vote if you're in the lobby. That is correct. You fell. How are you falling? I'm so confused. I thought I made it pretty well so you couldn't fall over. Well, I'm just stuck here, so let's go ahead and do this. Crashed it. Oh, hey, we got some peoples. Let's see what happens. I died. Okay. As did everybody else. Woohoo! All right. Let's see if we can't wait for all 4 people. No, we didn't. That's... Nope. Look at all these bodies. This is terrible. I gotta clean these up. I mean, you know what happens? Somebody discovered a corpse. Okay, well, I'm going to do... Somebody found another corpse? Stop finding corpses, people. I mean, of course, I'm not going to vote. But y'all can vote. I probably should change that to vote from kick. because it makes more sense to be a vote than a kick. Traitor was defeated. Hey, people voted. Nice. Oh, what? Okay, I was confused there. The traitor won. Ah. Oh, there's a corpse here. Oh boy. I knew it! I knew it! But at least, hey, I got back, so that's good, and I'm not frozen. Okay, I really need to think about how to clean up all those corpses, because that is kind of an issue. There's a lot of corpses just floating around out here. See, like, because that should never happen. You shouldn't be able to... Oh no, and our light post in the middle disappeared too. What's up with that? A corpse must have been placed there. Oh, it should be right here. Yeah, well, let me... There we go. So yeah, I can't kill anybody. And even if they both try to vote me off, I don't think it'll work till I vote. I'm gonna go ahead and skip. Okay, can you walk, Minx, or are you still stuck? You're still stuck. Well, what in the world? Why can't you move? I'll get you fixed, man. Oh, did somebody else already kill you? I don't know how they could have, though, because... Oh, he quit. Okay, so that's an issue. That should not be happening. And also, it looks like we had enough players here or something. I don't know. Okay, don't jump over the rail. That's a terrible idea. Don't do that. Okay, I think I need to change these rails so you can't jump over them. Because that's just making troubles. Okay. This light should also be there. Oh, look at all these bodies. This is... all this carnage. It's unacceptable, honestly. Hey, dude. Yeah, not a good place to land. You're just stuck. I mean, admittedly, you can't be killed now unless I jump down there and kill you. I could do that. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. Where do you go? Where'd you go? Don't see him. Okay. Okay. Let's continue on in the epic quest. Now, the neat thing... we need to delay before... I agree. When everybody shows up and spawn there, and then they just spam kill everybody, it doesn't even make it fun. It's just kind of annoying. So that definitely needs some work. The voting also should not require the traitor to vote, because they're the traitor, so that should be changed. And then, of course, we just need more tasks and stuff. You can make a death zone under the rails. I did think about adding in some nodes that just kill you when you walk on them and stuff, but I just haven't had enough time to get that implemented. There's a lot more... There's a lot more nodes I need to add, a lot more tasks. Right now, it's kind of... with only 2 tasks available, it kind of makes for very repetitive. Well, there's some tasks, are. But I don't need tasks. I need to find people. Okay, so Carmen fell down here somewhere. Oh, hey. Would you... Oh, wait, I killed all the crew. That's weird, because I didn't... What? How did I... No, I didn't. I'm confused. I didn't kill all the crew. I killed one person. I thought there was somebody else there. Did they leave? Well, it's not extremely like Among Us, but it's kind of like Among Us. All right, I'm gonna try this. Okay, I didn't crash, so that's good. All right, well, they're busy playing. I'll just stand here. All right. And let's... So how does this check the vote counts? Because that's the actual question. How does this work? Because the actual votes should be one less than the number of players that are still alive. So lobby vote map ID, I think, is what's actually doing it. Okay, so this just checks needed votes equals lobby map ID. And that's the number of players. So we should do that -1. And that shouldn't require that the traitor votes. I can't join an in-progress game. We gotta wait here and relax and chill. Also, let me check what the radius is on that. I thought it was 3 nodes, which should be anywhere on the red carpet, but maybe I should increase that to 4 nodes. So that is nodes active. That's the unconfigured button. We want the configured button. On punch, get inside radius position 4. A radius of 4 around that? So that should pretty much be the white around it as well. It's supposed to change your privileges when you join, but I didn't implement that. I should say I implemented it, but then I commented it out because that was annoying me in testing. When every time I joined, I had to re-grant myself privileges. That was just bogus. So I was like, yeah, I'm turning that off. I should probably do a thing where it checks what your privileges are and then decides whether or not to do that. Somebody's moving too fast. I don't know how. I'm assuming Silicon Penguin died. Can't join an in-progress game. Can't vote, but I skipped. That's weird. So I didn't skip. I voted a player's name. Well, nobody can read your chat, 2D Phoenix, other than me, because I can see it in the terminal. You're supposed to kill all the players. Oh, see, it's still messed up because... Oh no! Oh no! Oh wait, this is a different error now. 65, index global player, a nil value. What is this in? This was in lobby functions. Lobby functions, line 65. Player set position. Oh. Yeah, okay. That's a good point. That is a good point. I don't know what lobby game kick equals lobby. What? Okay, so this has to be put inside of that for loop, because that's where we're going through players. Okay, if the votes are in, blank will be kicked. If kick equals traitor, then the team wins. Which is right. If lobby game, so I'm assuming I would want to go here. Player. Oh, no, wait. This is the kicked player. Oh, but kick might not necessarily be a valid player. Because kick is the name of the player, but if there was nobody with a high score? Is that possible? That you would have... That didn't make sense. Thank you, Dottie Tree Hugger. Same to you. Okay, so kick does have a value there. And actually so does this. So might just get player by name kick. I guess I could do a if player does not equal nil, then do this just as like a safety catch. All right, let's see what we get. We got peoples in the game. We got corpses all over the place in the game. That's terrible. That's just terrible. I really need to figure out a way to do that. But that's going to take me a little while to try to figure out how to do that. I think what I want to do here, while we're waiting for some people... Oh, somebody punched me. Hey, that's cool. Okay, so if physics table speed does not equal 0. So you can't kill people when you're waiting to vote. There needs to be... Where do I give the player the... Oh, that would be in this. So one of these here will say you're the imposter, try to kill the other players. Player inventory, add item, main, lobby, shank. Okay. So how would I do... Can I do like a mind test after? This is sketch. This probably won't work. Mind test after 5 function, and then we just do that. I don't think that's how that actually works. I died. Oh, that's cool. Traitor won this round. Way to go, Traitor. Can't join an in-progress game. Wait. How is the game still in progress? Oh, man. This code is so buggy. This is terrible. I thought it said the Traitor won, though. The Traitor won this round. Well, if the Traitor won the round... I don't know when that happened. Maybe that happened too long ago? Oh, wait, here we go. Oh, thanks. Thanks for spawn killing me. That's cool. I appreciate it. Yeah, we're going to have to just wait here till everybody comes through. Carmen damaged by 1 HP. Carmen must have jumped off a rail. Yeah, you can't join it in progress level. I don't know if that code works. The server hasn't crashed yet, so I guess I don't know. We'll find out. As soon as it crashes, we'll see what happens. Oh, hey, I'm now streaming on my YouTube channel. Because I wasn't aware that I was streaming on my own channel. Hey, it crashed. Attempt index global player, nil value, line 65. Hey, that was that same error as before, which should theoretically now be fixed. Theoretically. I make no guarantees, express or implied. How did Carmen get over to the button so fast? All right. So whoever the traitor is should have to wait 5 seconds to get the shank. It hasn't crashed, so that's promising at least. Please don't kill me. I'm just trying to clean up some of these bodies. Also, why do the bodies keep knocking out the lights? I don't get it. It's not supposed to happen. It's supposed to be using the same code as the Bones mod. It's not supposed to replace things. Oh, there's a corpse floating up there too. Is there corpses sitting on top of the... No, okay, well there's no corpses on the ladder, so that's promising. Oh, okay, let me throw those out. I'm gonna keep a hold of the hammer just in case there's some corpses I need to clean up. You never know. What kind of stuff happens? 846453. 846453. Woohoo! 90 more XP to defeat the imposter. My understanding. Who done it? I'm stuck moving. This is weird. Why am I jittery? Nobody else is jittery. This is weird. Oh, because I'm moving too fast. Oh boy, this is gonna look away if you get up to see. Wow. Yeah, I am. Wow, I can't make it stop. This is terrible. Well, there, if I look up at the darkness, at least. Oh, that's better. I think it's Carmen? Well, Carmen better make a defense for themselves. I was doing tasks over in that, whatever that was. No, that's a good defense. I honestly have no idea, so I'm just gonna do. Okay, when you do a kick skip, you should get some kind of feedback letting you know that. Yeah, I'm doing all kinds of crazy stuff. It's not good. Okay, so it throws a print. Somebody voted. Okay, let's just get rid of these print statements because they're pretty useless because it doesn't say who. Okay, so if the player opts not to vote, let's just do a... Give them feedback because it's good to know what's going on. And that way you know your vote, was valid and accepted. Thanks for your vote. Actually, I should probably do... Thanks for your vote. And let's just do... You skipped voting this round. There we go. That way it's a little more... Oh, hey. Okay, so... Voting... I just seen a guy sneak through the ladder there. Okay, well, I don't know who voted. But I didn't, because I didn't know. We only need 75 more XP to defeat the imposter. Data entry 827584. 827584. Sweet, only 60 more XP. Oh boy. Oh boy, run. I don't know if that's the imposter or not, but... I'm so nervous. That numerical entry thing just takes too long. I don't got time for that. I gotta run through all these doors. Fortunately, the doors open super fast. That one's a dead end, so let's not go there. This one just goes through super long hallways, so this was a bad decision. Because it... Ooh, but there's a corpse. But I don't know when this corpse is from. This is Carmen's corpse. But is this a recent corpse? I don't know. I don't know. Hey, but I'm not moving crazy. That's good. I don't know, Minx was following me. He was on the ladder. He had a chance to kill me and he didn't. Or did he? Oh, Carmen left. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know when Carmen died, so... What's the command to vote for someone? Okay. Okay, well, I voted. I put my vote in. Has this thing not crashed since I changed it that the traitor didn't need to vote? I don't know, it may not have. Hey man, I voted. I voted. Just waiting for these other people to vote. So I can get out of here. I can jump. See, that's neat. You can jump. Yay. Traitor was defeated. Why are we all stuck? Oh, great. Why? Why does this happen? No. No, you stupid. Yeah, I mean, no. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I bet it is what I'm looking. All right. So, let's check. That should be in team win. In the team win, we set the position, but we don't reset the override. Easy enough to fix. Team win player, we set the inventory, we set the position. We're going to go ahead and set that. We're also, in the trader win, we're going to set that. So that should have fixed that. All right. Oh, I still can't move. Okay, well, I'm just going to shut the server down so those changes can push through. And then hopefully we won't have that issue anymore. So that'll be good because that was kind of not great, to say the least. It's terrible, actually. Woo! Bitcoin, 31 grand. I know probably nobody has Bitcoin, but I do. That's why. Oh, hey. Level loaded. I don't know who's all here, though. It's supposed to require 4 people. How did it work with only 2? Well, that means, I know who the traitor is. So I just need to run out quick. Oh, but he can see where I am, because if he's watching the stream, oh no. How am I supposed to escape and have enough time to vote him out? I just have to lose him in these endless hallways. That might do the trick. Okay. But maybe he's coming on the other end of the hallway. I don't know. Yes! Yes! And we can both move! Wait, yes, he can. Okay, perfect. Excellent. Stellar. Good. So I think that's fixed. I don't know why this worked when there was only 2 of us here, though. Oh, because I changed it to only require 2 players. That's why. Let's bump that up to 3. We at least need 3 people. 2 players is just not enough. It's too obvious. If you're not, the other one is, and you just have to kick them. Although it would be good to see if the... Yeah, don't hit any buttons there. It would be good to see if the shank thing works. Okay, well, I'm still not the imposter, so... Okay, we can both move. That's good. I would like to be the imposter, so I would know if there's a delay in getting my shank. You're the imposter. Try to kill other players. And I don't have the shank yet. Nice! Nice! Okay, that worked. Super. Okay, so now let's go ahead and change this. I'm going to change this up to 10 seconds. You're the imposter, try to kill the other players. And then I'm going to go ahead and just do another, and we'll say, whoa, that was weird. You'll get a weapon in a few seconds. There we go. That way new players... Suckers! It really wasn't that difficult. Nice. I am not the traitor. But I found a corpse. Oh, you know what? This is sweet. I don't know how I got a knife, though. Oh, wait, was I the traitor? I was the traitor. And now I am dead. What in the world? What was going on there? Admin damaged by 13 health points. Why? How? Moving too fast. How was I moving? Speed was set to 0. I don't understand what goes on there. Some kind of goofiness. Ooh, we got enough peoples. We also have a broken door. That's terrible. Let me fix that. I put that in backwards. That's genius. I can use the screwdriver and fix that, actually. There we go. Okay, these corpses really need some work because they shouldn't be doing this. Why are you knocking out my walls? I don't. Go away. Get out of here. Okay. We're going to see if they can get enough XP to finish the level. I'm going to take a quick peek at the corpse that is in... Here we go. Okay. On right click. Okay, so none of that actually matters. I think we need it. It should be in die player? No, actually, I think it's in... I think it's in the shank. On use, do this. Victim set HP 0. Okay. So it is going to be in an on die player. Somewhere. No, on leave player, on die player. If map does not equal lobby. Set node. Ah, because it doesn't check. Ah, I see. So it does a simple vector rounding of the player position. Then it checks what position the player's looking. Just to throw some rotation onto the corpse. It doesn't really matter which way the player looks, I suppose. But then it just sets the node without any check at all of what the position is. We should make sure that the position is air. Unfortunately, if the position's not air, how does it find an empty node nearby? That's the issue. Well, let's just see what bones do. Bones. Oh, you know what? They could actually just kick me at any point if they wanted. And then they wouldn't have to do it that way. But whatever, that's fine. Okay, so bones... may replace. Okay. If the node's unknown, we return false. Allow replacing airs and liquids. Don't replace filled chests and other nodes that don't allow it. If replace block, replace it by bones. Okay. The bones position message. This adds zombies because this is from Epic. So in Epic, when somebody dies, a zombie spawns. Yeah, no big deal, you know. Okay, check possible if bones are to replace. If not, find space near player. Find a node near. Oh. Okay, well, I think we're just gonna steal that lot and we're gonna throw that in to wherever I need that. On die player, okay. So we have the local position, and then we have local air. And then we set node. You know, I'll just set node to air. Well, I should really check if. That'd be cool if there was a simple parkour in the waiting area. You know what, 2D Phoenix? Good call. Good call, my man. Let me go ahead and do grant 2D Phoenix. You want to build a simple parkour or something? You know what, Silicone Penguin? You know what? We'll give it to you too. You guys can build something. Just try not to build so you can jump over the wall, because that would be bad. A few things to note about building. You can only break nodes with the hammer. So yeah, you need that. And then the other thing to note, yeah, don't place corpses because bad things can happen there. And don't place any of the tasks in the lobby. They won't crash things anymore. I did fix that. But just don't put them there because, yeah, you can't use them. 21 XP left. All right. Things are moving along smashingly. Because I never actually checked if that works. So I don't actually know if getting all the XP will make the team win. I've never tested that. Because I was like, well, I'm not going to spend all this time. And yeah, so I didn't. So I don't know if that'll work or not. Hopefully it does. Okay, well, if position doesn't have a node in it, we don't actually need to do this. So let's do a local pos node equals mine test get node position, and then we'll do if position underscore node dot name does not equal air, then blah blah blah, do this, and actually then we do an else my test set node of position, and then end, and that should make that right. Look down. Oops. Hey, I'm here. Either I got voted off or... Oh, the traitor was defeated. Nice! Nice! So that works. Sweet! What are we looking down at? Oh, you can jump over the wall now. If you jump over the wall, you will fall to your... Well, not to your death, because there's nothing that will kill you. So, yeah. You will just keep falling forever until you quit. And then once you rejoin, you will automatically spawn at 0, 0, 0. Got all the points. Nice. Nicely done. Glad that works. All right, yeah, if you want to do that, we got that. Okay, so I do need to... I'll just hang out here if anybody wants to. Oh, I should probably, Wait, did somebody fall off the edge and die? No, okay. Let's grant Minix created as well. Okay. So now with all of that, I should probably... That's not what I want. Let's go back to this. Do that. Okay, so that's to make sure that players can't do it while we're voting. Unfortunately, they can just kill everybody immediately after the vote, which is not great, but I don't know how I would fix that. Yeah. Okay, so look, this is weird. On use. If count equals 1. Oh, okay, never mind. Yes. So every time you kill somebody, it checks how many players are left. And if there's only one player left, it would be the traitor, and then the traitor wins. Duh. So that makes sense. Wow. Rattle, rattle, rat. Okay, corpses. How are we going to clean up the corpses? That is the big issue. Let's see as far as at any time. Let's kick player name. You skip voting, blah, blah. Okay. On right click, we just do this. Somebody discovered a corpse. And then we do a random position to that. Set the speed to 0. Show the voting. It's all good. How do we make the corpses disappear at a level? I would have to, every time a corpse is placed, I don't know how I would do this. Let me turn off server syncing status of code. I don't want to accidentally wreck things if this does not work out at all. So you do after place node equals function position. That's all I need is position data. Something happens. I don't know what. We would need to create a table with a list of tables, great, of all of the corpses. This seems like it's not going to work at all. Winter Panda? Welcome to the server, Winter Panda. Oh, this roof needs to be higher. Oh, yeah, it does. I could give somebody world edit, but I don't know if I want to do that. Oh, I can't make it. Oh, but I can from here. No, I can't. Wait, what? I should be able to. There we go. Oh, I was so close. I think some functions for a session manager would solve a lot of the problems. Oh, hey, somebody put the box in. Working on code for Traitor. And we got some people building some fun stuff here at the spawn. As long as 0, 0 is where you spawn to with some randomness. So we got to make sure that there's not nodes right there. But I can always clean those up later. Cleaning corpses, counting for leaving players at vote count. I mean, yeah, but then I'd have to make that. And I don't know how to do that. So, for leaving players at vote count, I think if players leave during vote count, I think the code actually already accounts for that. So that is in here. So kick does this lobby vote map ID. And that, where is it? Is that in functions? It should be. So every time the local needed votes, every time somebody votes, it pulls in. So I guess there could be like a race condition. I don't know if it's technically a race condition, but if somebody were to vote at the exact same second that somebody quits, or maybe just a fraction either before or after, I'm not sure which way, it would count the player as in the map. And so it would say it needs one more than it actually does. But I don't think the chances of that happening are very great. Because what it does, this lobby map ID, this is a table that stores the map ID and the number of players in it. So every time somebody votes, it's checking how many players are currently active in that level, map, whatever you want to call it. And then it's getting that value back, subtracting one because the traitor doesn't need to vote, because we don't want the traitors voting, because that's just terrible. I mean, the traitors can vote, but I don't want to require them to. Oh, we got a new player that has joined. Aksa. Welcome. Cleaning corpses with an ABM would work, except for the unfortunate downside issue. I don't know what we want to call it. That it would be possible for a corpse to then be cleaned that should still exist. Because I don't want a corpse that should be in the game to get cleaned up, because then somebody could die and the corpse would be cleaned before it was discovered, and then nobody would know, other than, of course, running the survivor command, which I wonder actually... oh, okay, so it just shows everybody in the lobby. Okay, well, that makes sense. That's what it should do. All right. Oh, we got more peoples. We got peoples. All right, well, I'm just going to hang out here. And... okay, so after place node, we just need to store the position... and a bunch of other stuff, of course. So I probably need to make another table. Lobby traders equals a table of something that doesn't mean anything. That's helpful. Lobby corpses equals a table. Of course. And then we're going to do lobby corpses with map ID. Ooh, okay, well that's an issue. How do I know what the map ID is? On right click, I have a name, but when a player dies, I don't have a name. You know what? This isn't the place to do this. That's why. I should do that in wherever the on die player command. Callback. It's not really a command. Okay. Maybe make that a function? This code needs like some serious restructuring because it's kind of all over the place. I've got stuff registering on join and leave, then I've got a file for functions, but then I have functions and another file still. Oh, it's so messy. It's a wonder it even works. Okay. So I would want to create a new function then of like, I don't know, do I want to call it a local function? We'll do update maps, blah, blah. We'll just throw it right here. We'll do a function lobby corpse entry. That's going to need some data passed to it, of course, such as the map ID. And actually, let's go with the position first. I don't think it really makes any difference. Sure. I'm not sure why that's an error. Equals expected. Oh, okay, sure. Sure. That obviously would not work. I'm just throwing that in. Okay, so then we have corpse entry. And we would use that for... Oh, wait, that would go into the... See, this is why it's just a mess. That would go in here. So then this is set at air, so we would change that to air. And this is at position, so we'd leave at position. Map ID should exist, right? No, we're just calling it map here because, you know, why use any sort of, what do you call these, conventions? You know, why stick with the same naming when you can use different names for variables? It makes it so much more convenient because I totally don't know what's going on then. Or nobody else does either, which is even less helpful. Okay. Well, corpse entry is air. Its position, it's the map ID. Okay. So we look good on that. So now what does this actually do? This takes our positional data and it takes the map ID. You could write those and I can make it cleaner for you and not a bug. I mean, that's where this is all going. Oh, I died. How did that even happen? Oh, did somebody... No, you can't get shanks in here. Creative doesn't give you give. I don't know how I died. Oh, maybe somebody started a level. That's possible. Because I was standing right here. And I just wasn't paying any attention at all whatsoever. If y'all want to start it, y'all can start it. Just punch the big green. That needs to change too. It should be a fancier button. Oh, look, there's a corpse just floating around. That's cool. All right, well, let's run. Let's punch the lights because those are quick and easy. Why am I doing that? Let's go down the stairs. Let's get away from these people. All these mad lads. Oh, sweet. I mean, these only give 1 XP, though, so that's kind of a ripoff. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, no. Somebody got me. I think they got the other person, too. The traitor won the round. Well, that wasn't too hard to see. Well, I don't want it showing too long, because it's got to be a challenge. The code shows for 1.5 seconds. I'll put it up to 2. But I don't want it super easy that every single time you can just get it and see what it is without any issue. Because then there's no challenge involved. It's got to be challenging. It also just needs a ton more tasks because 2 tasks gets extremely repetitive, extremely fast. It's really not great. Oh boy, it's 9:06. I have to go. I just started a level. I have a 9:30 appointment I have to be at. So this will be the last level because I need to skedaddle quite soon. Run down, run through. Could vote for people, but oh, look at all these corpses. These are old corpses though. So these should be cleared out. Oh hey, it's the ladder up. There's a corpse here. Admin's corpse. Oh, that's my own body. That's fun. I'm like a disembodied body. Wait, huh? I'm a disembodied person? I couldn't read that number. 870955. 8709. Well, thanks. Thanks for killing me. That's alright though. That's alright. I have to leave anyways. thanks for hanging out. The server will be up indefinitely, you know, because that's how I roll. The code is on Not a Bug. I believe it is linked. No, actually, oh yes, it is. Yes, it is. The Git repository is linked on my website, which is in the stream description. So that is available. Also, I need to show myself real quick. I have a support page on my website if you have any interest at all whatsoever. Of course, I don't know where that's at, so there we go. It's down in the video description as well if you're interested at all. Don't feel like you need to or anything. Just it's there if you're interested. And yeah, I am going to head out here. More videos coming in throughout the week. There should be more Traitor dev stuff. If you're interested in making anything for the server, code's on Not a Bug. You can make pull requests and stuff. Looking for more just nodes. I started off with a kind of sci-fi thing because Among Us is, you know, like in a spaceship or whatever. But at least I think it is. The ones I've seen are. But we could have other levels too that aren't sci-fi. So anything you want, pretty much we can add. Doesn't need craft recipes because there's no crafting. It's really super easy to add stuff. You can just look at what's already there. It's super easy to add more. And yeah, that's going to do it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.